How to engrave metal with Cricut Maker. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, go to Shapes, select a shape and unlock the shape. Step 2. Set the measurement your project needs in size in the toolbar and the shape will change. Step 3. Click on the Color Swap button and change the color. Step 4. Click on Text in the Design panel, then click on the Font drop-down menu. Step 5. Search and select a font, then type the text you want for the project. Step 6. Now resize the shape using the bottom right handle so it fits into the design. Step 7. Select the design and align it using the Align drop-down menu. Step 8. Next, make sure that your Cricut machine is selected. Step 9. Go to the toolbar, click on the Operation drop-down menu and select Engrave. Step 10. Repeat the process for each design. Step 11. Once done, click on Make It and the Prepare screen will open. Step 12. In the Basic Cut page, click on the three-dot button on the upper left handle and select Move Object. Step 13. Select the other mat in the Move Object window and click Continue. Step 14. In the Engrave Basic Cut page, pull down and position the shape where you're going to cut in your mat. Step 15. Next, select the other design element and place it strategically on the mat as well. Step 16. Repeat the same process for the remaining design elements, then click on Continue. Step 17. Wait for it to locate your maker and for the presets to load, then click on Browse All Materials. Step 18. Select your material from the list and click Done. Step 19. Now grab your metal and remove the protective film from both sides. Step 20. Place the metal onto the strong grip mat where you're going to cut and tape it down. Step 21. In your Cricut Maker, insert the engraving tip and place the mat in place. Step 22. Press the blinking up and down arrow button to load the mat, then press the C button to start engraving. Step 23. Once the engraving process is complete, press the up and down arrow button to unload the mat. Step 24. Take a look at the engraving and remove the blanks from the mat. Step 25. Now take a stamp enamel or a marker and apply it over the top of the engraving. Step 26. Let it dry for 1 to 3 minutes, then wipe away the excess enamel and the engraving will pop more. Step 27. Complete your project and show it off. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.